Howdy do! Hello again and welcome back to our channel. Today we are grilling some chicken wings, and here I have some chicken wings which I'm going to add some of my homemade jerk seasoning to. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my homemade jerk seasoning here. I'm also going to be adding some Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce, and I will add about 3 tablespoons of the buffalo sauce to the wings. I'm also adding some salt here, so just enough salt for taste. I'm gonna rub the seasoning into this now, and once it's nicely rubbed in and seasoned, I will leave it to marinate for about 2 to 3 hours. So my chicken is nicely seasoned here. I'm now going to cover this, set it aside, and leave it to marinate. So here we are now. We're going to put these on the barbecue grill, and this is a charcoal grill, so you don't want your flames or your coal to be too much, because you want your wings to just take its time and steam over the charcoal and grill beautifully. So I'm going to turn these over because they've been on the grill now for about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm just going to turn them over, make sure that they're grilling beautifully and not burning. Cover my grill and I'll leave them there to continue grilling. Now we're going to give these another little turn over, and I'm removing them here and setting them to one side because I'm going to put these on a grilling mat. So here I have my grilling mat. I'm going to place these on my grilling mat because I'm going to add some more of my buffalo sauce. So I want the sauce to just settle on the grilling mat while they just continue grilling beautifully. So there we have it. I'm gonna be brushing these now with some of the buffalo sauce and just let them simmer and steam while they grill. So here's my buffalo sauce. Gonna mix up a little of this with some of this seasoning that's left in the pan. And I'm now going to just brush these. I'm now going to just brush the sauce over these and let them continue grilling while I turn them over while they're grilling. So here you want the flames to be very, very low because you don't want them burning and you still want them to be succulent and juicy. So you just want to apply your sauce here so they're kept moist and the flavors just immerse into them while they're grilling. So now we're going to remove them from the grill here, and once I remove these from the grill, I'm going to be serving them with just some fresh salad. So there we have it, my beautiful grilled jerk buffalo wings. So here I'm going to make a quick fresh salad. So I'm just going to use some red onions, lettuce and tomato. So I'm just gonna slice these quickly. Just rough chop the lettuce. Slice the tomatoes here quickly too. So here we have our fresh salad, and my wings are done. We're going to just serve these on a platter so I can enjoy it with my boys. There we have it, our gorgeous wing platter. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And also remember to turn your notification bells on so you do get notified when we do upload more videos like these. Thanks again for watching. Enough love. Bye.